Do y'all see me? Y'all see me in my cheetah outfit? Like, very cheetah-licious, my hoes. It's cheetah girls, cheetah sisters. Period. Hola peritos y peritas, it's your girl Dolce, ya tú sabes. So first, you want to go ahead and cut the crease to start the look. I'm going to be taking you guys through a eyeshadow tutorial inspired by my girl AALIYAHJAY. It's a cheetah eyeshadow look. So first you want to cut the crease with a lighter concealer. And then you want to go ahead and make sure it's crispy. You want to go ahead and set it with some setting powder. I usually use the Sacha Buttercup as my setting powder, as I like the undertones for women of color. Then next you want to take a pencil brush to really get the details. You want to use a black shade to make like the cheetah spots. Yes, girl. I found it easier to put it in like a circular shape later. And then you're going to go in with an orange shade or any shade of your choice, but I particularly chose orange because I like how orange shadow looks on my skin, and with the cheetah look I thought it'd be cute or whatever. So then you're basically going to fill in the spots surrounding your cheetah spots. And you can actually go over the spots. I think I was scared too, but that probably would have made the look more seamless had I gone a little bit over the spots. It would have merged the colors better. And then I'm taking this reddish brown shade to basically give a more of a textured look to it. It gives it more of a 3D kind of look. It merges all the colors together. Like I said, you can definitely go over the spots. As you can see, I'm taking the pencil brush and I'm detailing the black a little bit more because it got faded through the process. And now I'm making the more circular shapes to give it a better definition. I know it looks like a ladybug, but you know, it's to everybody's interpretation. I think I look like a cheetah. Right now. Okay, so I'm also going to be using for my face the I Am Magic foundation by Juvia'S place. I am in the color 330. The name of that color is called ACCRA, but don't worry, I'll list that in the description as well. This is the actual packaging, and I hear less is more. Okay, I'm going to go in. I'm not going to do too much because I hear this is like really full coverage. So I'm just gonna take one little pump. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. You guys aren't even seeing how velvety this is. Oh my god. Juvia. Juju. That was one pump. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. It's kind of glowy, but it looks like skin. You could definitely go harder if you wanted to, but I don't wear that much foundation. And it looks like skin, but it looks like flawless skin. Yes, girl. Wow. Okay. Juvia did that. Alright, so moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and start highlighting my face. So I just basically do all the points that are gonna catch light under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, under my nose area, my forehead. I'm just blending it with a beauty blender. And I also have really dry skin, so I don't like to bake. So I like to use basically a small brush like this and just pat it into my skin, the setting powder, because baking will dry you out. Next, I'm going to move on to the contour. This was actually my first time doing a cream and powder contour, and I really liked how it came out. Black Radiance, I love these two palettes. My new phase for contour. Contouring is my favorite part of makeup. So I'm getting that jawline together. Snatching my nose as well. And I'm blending the cream out first. And then basically I'm going to be setting it with the powder version of this palette. I like the color because it's still warm. And it's like perfect for my skin. But one thing I did notice about the powder, a lot comes off of one stroke. So be very mindful. Here I'm just cutting the contour with some more setting powder, so it can be more seamless. Okay. And then I'm just wiping the excess setting powder off of my face, making sure everything is blended. Oh, yes, bitch. Then I'm going to apply the lashes. And boom. Try to do a cute little effect. Ooh. Ooh. Who's your cheetah? I'm going to go ahead and put my eyeliner. I love the Inglot. I'm also going ahead and putting the orange shadow underneath my eye. Adding some blush. Ooh. I like to put it at the bridge of my nose because I like the little highlight there. Of course, my favorite highlighter, the Master Chrome. In the inner corners of my eye. And definitely the brow bone. I'm lining my lips with some regular Beauty Supply brown pencil. And some matte lip gloss that I got from Amazon. I thought it was a cute lip combo. Yes. Tyra who, honey? It's Dolce TV. Oh, I know y'all see that reverse effect. Y'all see it. Well, I'm back and I'm very Cheetah-licious. This was actually really fun to do. I've never done anything crazy with my shadows before. I barely learned how to do shadows. So if I can do it, you guys definitely can do it. It can be for Halloween, or if you're like me and you're casually about to go on a movie date, then yeah. But as far as the look, you guys, like, please comment down below and let your girl know, like, did she achieve the inspo? Yeah, like, if you can see the eye, the details, like, keep the details. Juvia'S place. Juvia, y'all onto something. I have never had one foundation that I can just use without having to mix it with another color. The 330 ACCRA was definitely my shade to the T. And what I also like about the foundation is that you don't need a lot. Like, less is more, okay? So I literally used one drop on a brush, put that all over my face, and it was fully covered. If you guys enjoyed this video, you want more like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow my Instagram. It's the same name as the channel. It's Dolce TV. And if y'all peeped that intro, go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. Till next time.